10 most beautiful waterfalls on Earth. Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Treasures, the ultimate destination for wanderlust and adventure. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of waterfalls. Get ready to be enchanted as we explore the 10 most beautiful waterfalls on Earth. So, let's embark on this breathtaking journey together. Angel Falls. Angel Falls, located in the Canaima National Park in Venezuela, is a true marvel of nature. As the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, it gracefully descends from the summit of Ollantaytambo, a massive table mountain, plummeting an astonishing 3,212 feet, 979 meters, into the depths below. The falls are named after Jimmy Angel, a U.S. aviator, who was the first to fly over them in 1933. The journey to witness the breathtaking Angel Falls is an adventure in itself, often involving a scenic flight over the dense rainforest or a challenging trek through the Venezuelan wilderness. The surrounding landscape is lush and pristine, with mist rising from the base of the falls, creating an almost mythical ambience. Angel Falls is not just a geographical wonder but a spiritual experience, inviting visitors to marvel at the raw power and beauty of nature in its most magnificent form. The remoteness of this natural wonder adds to its allure, making it a destination that captures the hearts of all who embark on the journey to witness its awe-inspiring majesty. Iguazu Falls. Welcome to the spectacular Iguazu Falls, a natural masterpiece straddling the border between Argentina and Brazil. This UNESCO World Heritage Site consists of a network of 275 individual falls, making it one of the most jaw-dropping and expansive waterfall systems on the planet. The mighty Iguazu River plunges over the precipice, creating a mesmerizing display of power and beauty. The sheer volume of water, coupled with the intricate web of cascades, forms a symphony of nature that captivates every visitor. Exploring Iguazu Falls is an immersive experience, with well-maintained trails leading you through lush rainforests, offering panoramic views of the falls from various angles. As you navigate the walkways, be prepared to be enveloped by the thunderous roar of the water and the fine mist that rises from the cascading falls. The iconic Garganta del Diablo, Devil's Throat, is the focal point, where a U-shaped cataract creates a mesmerizing and almost mystical atmosphere. The surrounding national parks on both the Argentine and Brazilian sides contribute to the ecological richness of the area, providing a habitat for diverse flora and fauna. From vibrant butterflies to exotic birds, the biodiversity of Iguazu Falls adds an extra layer of enchantment to this natural wonder. Pis Lakes National Park. Nestled in the heart of Croatia, Pis Lakes National Park is a mesmerizing tapestry of cascading waterfalls, crystal-clear lakes, and lush greenery. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a living testament to the captivating beauty of nature. The park is renowned for its intricate system of 16 terraced lakes, interconnected by a series of waterfalls that create a stunning network of cascades. As you traverse the wooden boardwalks and meandering pathways, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the vibrant turquoise and emerald green waters that reflect the surrounding foliage. Each lake seems to spill into the next, creating a seamless harmony that is both soothing and awe-inspiring. The crown jewel of Pis Lakes is Veliki Slap, the largest waterfall in the park, where the waters plummet gracefully into the canyon below. The constant interplay of sunlight and water spray creates rainbows that dance across the landscape, adding to the magical atmosphere. Pis Lakes National Park is not just a visual spectacle, it's also a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The park is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, with rare species of birds, butterflies, and fish thriving in this pristine environment. Exploring Pis Lakes is a journey into tranquility, where the sounds of rushing water, rustling leaves, and the occasional bird's song create a symphony of nature. Whether you're captivated by the upper lakes with their gentle waterfalls or the dramatic landscapes of the lower lakes, every corner of the park offers a unique and unforgettable experience. For those seeking a true escape into the embrace of nature, Pis Lakes National Park is a destination that enchants the senses and leaves an indelible mark on the soul. Iguazu Falls. Embark on a journey to the heart of the Amazon rainforest and discover the breathtaking Iguazu Falls in Guyana, a true jewel of South America. Named after the indigenous Patamona chief Iguazu, this natural wonder is revered as one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world, captivating all who venture into its remote and pristine surroundings. What sets Iguazu Falls apart is not just its sheer height, standing at an impressive 741 feet, 226 meters, but also the sheer force with which the Potaro River plummets over the sandstone cliffs. As the water cascades into the deep gorge below, it creates a mesmerizing display of raw power and natural beauty. Reaching Iguazu Falls involves a journey through the unspoiled rainforest, adding an element of adventure to the experience. The lush greenery, exotic flora, and the diverse sounds of wildlife provide an immersive backdrop as you approach this hidden gem. The journey is a testament to the pristine and untouched nature of Iguazu Falls, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and intrepid travelers alike. One of the unique features of Iguazu Falls is its remote location, which has helped preserve the area's natural integrity. Unlike more accessible waterfalls, Iguazu maintains an unspoiled charm, offering a sense of discovery and tranquility to those who make the pilgrimage. Visitors to Iguazu Falls are not only treated to the awe-inspiring sight of the falls but also the surrounding beauty of the Iguazu National Park. The mist rising from the base of the falls creates a cool and refreshing atmosphere, and the panoramic views from the viewing platforms allow for an immersive appreciation of this natural spectacle. In the heart of the Amazon, Iguazu Falls stands as a testament to the untamed beauty of the natural world, inviting adventurers to witness the sheer force and majesty of one of Earth's most captivating waterfalls. Seljalandsfoss. Embark on a journey to the enchanting Seljalandsfoss in Iceland, a waterfall that beckons with its unique charm and mesmerizing beauty. Situated along the iconic Ring Road, Seljalandsfoss stands as a testament to the raw and unbridled power of Icelandic nature. What sets Seljalandsfoss apart is its distinctive feature, a cascade of water that tumbles gracefully over a 200-foot, 60-meter, cliff, creating a delicate veil of mist. What makes this waterfall truly special is the opportunity for visitors to walk behind the curtain of water, offering a one-of-a-kind and immersive experience. Be prepared to don a raincoat, as the misty embrace of Seljalandsfoss is part of the adventure. The surrounding landscape adds to the allure, with lush greenery and moss-covered rocks providing a picturesque backdrop. Seljalandsfoss is nestled in a verdant canyon, and the constant roar of falling water creates a symphony that resonates through the air, creating an atmosphere of serenity and wonder. The accessibility of Seljalandsfoss, just a short drive from Reykjavik, makes it a must-visit for anyone exploring the beauty of Iceland. The waterfall is not only a visual spectacle but also a reminder of the dynamic forces that have shaped this land of fire and ice. As you stand in awe of Seljalandsfoss, surrounded by the elements and immersed in the beauty of the Icelandic landscape, you'll undoubtedly feel a profound connection with the natural wonders that make this waterfall a true gem of the world. So, lace up your hiking boots, embrace the mist, and let Seljalandsfoss cast its spell on you, leaving an indelible mark on your journey through Iceland's breathtaking landscapes. Banjik Falls. Embark on a journey to the mesmerizing Banjik Falls, a natural wonder nestled on the border between China and Vietnam. This transnational waterfall complex is a breathtaking testament to the beauty of Southeast Asia, offering a captivating experience for all who venture into its lush and scenic surroundings. Banjik Falls spans the Kwai Sun River, with the water cascading down a series of tiers, creating a spectacle that stretches across the border. As the falls gracefully descend over 98 feet, 30 meters, they form a picturesque scene surrounded by dense forests, limestone karsts, and vibrant greenery. The natural beauty of the falls is heightened by the backdrop of rugged mountains, adding a touch of drama to the landscape. What makes Banjayik Falls particularly enchanting is its remote and unspoiled location. The journey to reach the falls takes you through charming rural landscapes, providing a glimpse into the authentic and traditional way of life in the region. The journey is an adventure in itself, with winding roads and scenic views that build anticipation for the grandeur that awaits. Visitors can appreciate the falls from various vantage points, with platforms offering panoramic views and boat trips taking you close to the cascading waters. The refreshing mist from the falls adds a cool and invigorating touch to the air, creating a sensory experience that complements the visual beauty. Whether you stand on the viewing platforms, take a boat ride along the river, or simply soak in the natural beauty of the falls, Banjayik is a destination that captivates the senses and leaves a lasting impression on all who are fortunate enough to experience its splendor. Niagara Falls. Welcome to the iconic Niagara Falls, a majestic natural wonder straddling the border between the United States and Canada. Renowned for its awe-inspiring beauty and sheer power, Niagara Falls is a captivating destination that has lured travelers from around the world for centuries. As you approach, the thunderous roar of the falls becomes a symphony of nature, a prelude to the breathtaking sight that awaits. Comprising three main falls, Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls on the American side, Niagara Falls collectively showcases the sheer force of the Niagara River as it plunges over the precipice. One of the most iconic features of Niagara Falls is the Maid of the Mist boat tour, which takes you on a thrilling journey into the heart of the falls. Feel the mist on your face as you get up close to the cascading waters, providing a perspective that truly emphasizes the scale and power of this natural wonder. The surrounding scenery adds to the allure of Niagara Falls, with lush parks, walking trails, and observation decks offering various vantage points for viewing the falls. Illuminated by colorful lights at night, the falls take on a magical ambience, creating a truly enchanting experience. While Niagara Falls is a popular and accessible destination, it never fails to inspire awe and wonder. Victoria Falls. Embark on a journey to the awe-inspiring Victoria Falls, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Africa's most iconic natural wonders. Nestled on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls is a breathtaking spectacle that captivates the senses with its sheer size, thunderous roar, and ethereal beauty. Known as the smoke that thunders, Victoria Falls is formed by the Zambezi River cascading over a basalt cliff, creating a curtain of water that spans over 5,600 feet, 1,700 meters, in width and plunges to a depth of about 354 feet, 108 meters. The result is a mesmerizing display of power as the mist rises, creating a perpetual spray that can be seen from miles away. Visitors can witness the grandeur of Victoria Falls from various vantage points. The most iconic of these is the Knife Edge Bridge, offering a panoramic view of the falls and the churning rapids below. Another notable viewpoint is Livingstone Island, named after the famous explorer David Livingstone, who was the first European to see the falls. Here, visitors can stand at the very edge of the falls, experiencing the sheer force and majesty of the water. The surrounding Victoria Falls National Park provides a pristine and protected environment, allowing visitors to appreciate not only the falls but also the rich biodiversity of the area. The rainforest, created by the perpetual spray, is home to a variety of plant and animal species, adding to the overall ecological richness of the site. For the more adventurous, activities such as bungee jumping, zip lining, and whitewater rafting are available, providing an adrenaline-filled experience against the backdrop of this natural wonder. Victoria Falls is not merely a geographical landmark, it's a living testament to the power and beauty of nature. Havasu Falls. Embark on a journey to the enchanting Havasu Falls, a hidden gem nestled within the Grand Canyon on the Havasupai Indian Reservation in Arizona, USA. Known for its striking turquoise waters and vibrant cascades, Havasu Falls is a testament to the breathtaking beauty that lies within the depths of the Grand Canyon. The journey to Havasu Falls is an adventure in itself, requiring a hike through the arid canyon landscape, which only adds to the allure of this secluded paradise. As you navigate the dusty trails, the anticipation builds, and the distant sounds of rushing water signal your arrival at this desert oasis. One of the unique features of Havasu Falls is the opportunity for visitors to swim in the turquoise pools, providing a refreshing and immersive experience. The natural limestone formations contribute to the vivid color of the water, making it a captivating destination for photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. Camping near Havasu Falls allows for an intimate connection with the surroundings, as the night sky reveals a celestial spectacle far away from the lights of civilization. Waking up to the sound of the falls and the rustle of the canyon breeze is a serene and soulful experience. The Havasupai tribe, the guardians of this sacred land, welcomes visitors with hospitality and a deep respect for nature. Exploring the nearby Mooney Falls and Beaver Falls adds an extra layer of adventure to the Havasu Falls experience. Havasu Falls is not just a destination, it's a sanctuary of natural beauty and serenity, inviting those who seek a unique and immersive encounter with the wonders hidden within the heart of the Grand Canyon. Erawan Falls. Embark on a journey to the serene Erawan Falls, a captivating natural wonder located in the Erawan National Park in Kanchanaburi Province, Thailand. Renowned for its emerald green tiers and tranquil surroundings, Erawan Falls offers a refreshing escape into the heart of the Thai jungle. Named after the three-headed elephant from Hindu mythology, Erawan Falls consists of 7 tiers, each uniquely beautiful and accessible through a well-maintained trail that winds through the lush forest. As you ascend, the cascading water creates a symphony of sounds that harmonizes with the gentle rustle of leaves, creating a peaceful ambience. The lower tiers of Erawan Falls feature crystal-clear pools, inviting visitors to take a refreshing dip in the cool, pristine waters. The pools are surrounded by vibrant greenery, and the underwater rocks and formations add to the natural charm of this idyllic setting. Each tier presents a different facet of Erawan Falls, from gentle streams to more dramatic plunges, offering a visual feast for nature lovers. One of the highlights of Erawan Falls is the final tier, where a breathtaking cascade tumbles over a limestone cliff into a large azure pool. The water takes on a mesmerizing shade of blue and green, creating an ethereal scene that is both calming and invigorating. Erawan Falls is not just a destination for outdoor enthusiasts, it's a place to rejuvenate the mind and spirit. The combination of serene natural beauty, refreshing waters, and the sounds of the jungle create a holistic and immersive experience. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the 10 most beautiful waterfalls on Earth. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep falling in love with the beauty of our planet. Safe travels.